Hello everyone, I am Manoj Kumar Patra. Welcome to all of you Edu for you. So in this video we will discuss about chapter 15 class 5 junior math measurement, that is measurement. Okay, why do we need to measurement? So many things are there in our surrounding that we need to measure that. Okay, suppose this is the where we want to measure. So for measuring we need some unit. Yes or no? If I will say this one is 8, then what you will recognize? So you will not clear anything that what is 8. 8 means for that to measure this one we need something like 8 centimeter or 8 meter or 8 kilometer. Yes or no? So already we have discussed in previous classes how we are using to measure anything. Suppose you want to measure anything that you are using like cubit, handspan, foot span. So these things we are using to measure the length. So anything we want to measure, that these things we are using, but these are not valid for the all the places, for everybody. It is vary from one place to other place. So for this reason some unit we want to do, the unit which units are applicable for everyone and it is same for all the places all over the world. Okay, so whenever you are writing any unit, that always it should be presented number and a unit, and one number and another one is unit. It is not possible only single thing will possible, single thing is not present in any places. Suppose I will write only centimeter, so this one is not showing us anything, only centimeter. Okay, whenever you are writing anything, that should be a number and that unit. Okay, so now we'll discuss about the metric system. So all these things like length, mass, capacity, that unit of these three, which one you are using, that is coming under that metric system. Okay, in which system it is coming, that is metric system, that length, mass and capacity. Okay, so these are coming in a basic unit. One basic unit are there. From there we are calculating this value, that length, mass and capacity. Okay, you will remember that length, the basic unit of length, that is meter, or meter shortly you can write m. Then the basic unit of mass, that is gram, and for the capacity we can write that liter. So these three are the basic unit of these three quantities. These are physical quantity. Okay, these are known as physical quantity. Physical quantity means which can be measured, which can be measurable. Anything, any substances which can be measurable, it means we can say this is the physical quantity. So this one is the physical quantity. So these physical quantity, if we want to measure this, so we need that unit. So this is the unit, you will remember. These are the basic unit. From this unit you can calculate this one. Why we need this basic unit? Because we are getting some difficulties to measure this cubit, handspan, foot span, so many things are there. We are getting many difficulties. For this reason we want the basic unit. So all over the world these things are same for everyone also. Is it clear all of you? Now you see, so this one is the conversion of unit. How we can convert this unit? So this one already I told, this is known as the basic unit. This one known as basic unit. Okay, from this basic unit, you see, whenever you will go from left hand side to right hand side, okay, start conversion of unit. Whenever the basic unit, this is the basic unit, that is meter or gram or liter. If you will move from left hand to right hand, so see, this one is the smaller unit. Okay, these are the smaller unit. This one is the smaller unit, and after that we will move towards the greater unit. Whenever this larger unit or greater unit you want to convert into smaller unit, that much 10 you should multiply with them. that much 10. If kilometer you want to hectometer, then multiply by 10. Hectometer you want to decameter, you will multiply by 10. Okay, this short form I have written. This one actually, let me say this one. This one mm stand for millimeter, cm stand for centimeter, dm stand for decimeter, and this one is the basic unit, that is meter. After that, decameter, hectometer, and kilometer. These things are present here. Is it clear? So whenever you will move from right hand side to left hand side, you should multiply by 10, and whenever you will move from left hand side to right hand side, you should divide it by 10. You should remember this one. And how much unit you want to move, that much 10 you should divide, or that much 10 you should multiply. Is it clear? Suppose I want to move from kilometer to decameter, then how many times will move? 2 times. Kilometer to hectometer, that is 110 you will multiply. Again hectometer to decameter, that is another 110 you will multiply. Then you will get the required result. Is it clear? So you should remember only simple thing. These things you will remember. This is very important. This one is most important. Okay. So whenever you will move from the basic unit to the left hand side and basic unit to the right hand side, you will remember this one: millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, and meter, and decameter, hectometer, kilometer. Left to right, that is divided by 10, and right to left, that is multiplied by 10. Otherwise you can remember, whenever a greater unit, these are greater, you remember these right hand side, all these right hand side are greater, and all these left hand side are smaller. Okay, from right to left these are smaller, from left to right these are greater. So whenever this right hand means greater unit, you want to convert in smaller unit, you should multiply by 10. That time there will be multiplication. Whenever that smaller unit you want to convert in greater unit, that time will be division. You just remember this one. See this example, that is 2 decimeter is equal to millimeter. Okay, so whenever this type of question will be, I told you just remember that you may say this one, this train you will remember, then you can do this one. So this decimeter, see here, this decimeter you want to convert it millimeter, so we can write 1 decimeter equal to how much millimeter. If 1 decimeter will be, this one will come 10, again one more 10, 10 into 10 equal to 100. So we may write that 1 decimeter is equal to 100 millimeter. How this 100 I am getting? Are you clear or not? 1 decimeter equal to 2 times will move, 1 and another one. So this one will be 10, again one more 10. 10 into 10 equal to 100 I am writing directly. Okay, means this one is the bigger unit, no? This one is the smaller. How much bigger this one? This one 10 and 10. 100 times bigger. It means 1 decimeter equal to 100 millimeter. Question is asking 2 decimeter. So 2 decimeter will be multiplied by 2. 2 into 100 millimeter. There will be 200 millimeter. Is it clear? One more example, that is 5000 decagram is equal to kilogram. Okay, so here you see which one is smaller, which one is greater. This one is smaller, this one is greater. Okay, so thus again you see this strip, this one, that decagram to kilogram, this one is how much times smaller? You see here, this one is how much times smaller? Decagram or decameter, how much time kilometer? This one is 110, another 110. This one you want to convert in this one. You see, I told you which one means this. If a smaller one you want to convert to larger one, you should divide that time, na. It means how much time smaller, or how many times you will multiply here 10. This one 10, again one more 10 here. 10 into 10 equal to 100. So we may write here directly. What we can write? That 1 decagram is equal to 1 by 100 kilogram. Yes or no? I told you now. How many times will move? 100 times will move. 100 kg. That one you can write, if 1 decagram is equal to 1 by 100 kg kilogram. Okay, then we can write that 5000 decagram, that will be multiply by 5000 divided by 10, 100. 20 can cancel, then 50 kg. Is it clear or not? Similarly, 15 millimeter is equal to dash centimeter. Okay, otherwise you will remember. So which one will ask you, that you should keep in last. It means here asking that centimeter na, we may write in millimeter term, that 1 millimeter is equal to, we know that 1 by 10 centimeter. How we know? Only from that, from there we know. Okay, then question is asking 15 millimeter is equal to 15 into 1 by 10. 15 by 10, that is 1.5 centimeter. So how I am getting this one directly? This one directly how you are getting? Not that I told you, no, that one you remember. This one you should remember. Then you can get easily directly. I told 1 millimeter equal to how much centimeter? This one you want to move, this smaller one you want to convert to greater one, na? This right hand side is the greater. So how much time will smaller this one? 10 times. So 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter divided by 10. This one is 1 centimeter. 1 divided by 10. That 1 by 10 centimeter is 1 millimeter. Okay. If 1 centimeter I will say, then how much millimeter? 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Because we will move to the left hand side. Left hand is the smaller. Similarly, see, many more example has given in your book. Convert 55 centimeter into meter. Okay, that we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Normally we know this one. Or according to this trend I told you how 1 centimeter is equal to how much? 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 millimeter. This one is the smaller, this one is the greater. If 1 centimeter is this much, then 55 centimeter, 55 divided by 100. This one you can write in decimal form, that is 0.55 meter. Okay, you may write this one. Otherwise, shortcut method also given. Shift 2 point or 2 places left. How many digit may be there? You just remember how many, 55 or 5695. How many centimeter may be provided you? You just, if this one will ask you to find in meter, only 2 places left you will move and put the point. Then you will get the answer. Okay. Similarly, 9 meter 3 centimeter as meter. We can write 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter or 1 centimeter equal to 1 divided by 100 meter. 3 meter, if 1 centimeter equal to this much, then 3 centimeter equal to multiply by 3, and 3 by something equal to 0.03. Or shortcut you can do. How many digit may be there? You can do directly. Okay, now that question is that 9 meter 3 centimeter. 9 meter 3 centimeter, that 9 meter 3 centimeter. 9 meter we know that already given in 9 meter. And centimeter we want to convert. So 9 plus 0.03, then you will get the answer. Okay. One more example you see, convert 4.15 meter into millimeter. Meter you want to millimeter. This greater one you want to small, convert in smaller one. Definitely there will be multiplication. Okay, how much multiply you will do? You will remember that one. Very important. I am again and again telling you that one you should remember. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Okay, as it is given millimeter, that is 4.15. That multiply you will this one. Then you will get 4150 millimeter. Is it clear? Similarly, convert 60 milliliter into liter. Same, everything is same. If you will understood the concept, then you can do any type of conversion like liter or gram or meter, anything. So here 1 liter we know that 1000 milliliter, or 1 milliliter equal to 1 divided by 1000. Clear na? So 60 will be multiplied by 60, then 60 divided by 1000, there will be 0.06 liter. Okay, similarly 9 gram is kg. 1 kg we know, then 1 gram we can calculate here, then 9 gram multiply by 9, then 9 divided by 1000 will be the answer. Is it clear? Exercise 15a, that is question number 1a, write in decimal. So 5 millimeter equal to dash centimeter. So how can do this one? We know that 1 millimeter or 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, see, let me do this one. 5 millimeter equal to dash centimeter. We know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Yes or no? So as we want this one, so we will write in reverse method, like 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Which one will ask you? You should keep in last, means not in left hand side, you will write in right hand side. So 1 millimeter we can write, this one is 1 by 10 centimeter. As question is asking 5 millimeter, so you should do 5 divided by 10. 5 will multiply by into 1 by 10, 5 by 10 centimeter. So this one we can write 0.5 centimeter. Is it clear all of you? Yes or no? Exactly in this process you will do all these things. Okay. Similarly B number 60 centimeter equal to decimeter. So we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, or we can write 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Yes or no? I told you which one will ask you here. Meter, how much meter mean? That meter you will write in right hand side. You should listen carefully. You will write which one will ask you, that will be on right hand side, not left hand side. As 1 centimeter also you can write 1 by 100 meter. Then question is asking 60 centimeter, then 60 divided by 100 meter, 1010 you can cancel, then 0.6 meter. This is the answer. Clear or not? Exactly same process you should try to solve question number 1, 2, 3. Okay, otherwise I will solve. Is it clear?